If you're delivering with Uber Eats in 2025, having the right accessories can seriously level up your experience, improve efficiency, and boost your tips. Whether you're on a bike, scooter, or a car, those tools help you deliver faster, safer, and with more professionalism. For a scattered insulated delivery bag, this keeps food hot or cold and prevents spills, especially on longer trips. Many customers care about presentation, and a quality bag shows you take your delivery seriously. Next, grab a phone mount, like a really good one. You need hands free access to maps and incoming orders. A stable, adjustable mount helps you stay focused on the road while navigating smoothly. Pair that with a fast car charger or power bank so your phone never dies mid shift because oftentimes you're really stuck up in a limbo if things like that really happen. But yes, for nighttime deliveries, visibility is key. If you're biking or scootering, invest in a reflector gear and bright front rear lights. Safety should never be optional. A mileage tracker or app like Stride or Everlane helps you log trips and expenses. This is especially useful for tax deductions and seeing your true profits. Lastly, consider gloves for cold weather, a rain jacket for bad weather, and maybe even a seat cushion if you're in your car for hours. The right accessories aren't just about comfort, they can help you save time, stay safe, and deliver like a pro. Found this helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Uber Eats hustle.